Today is December 23rd, the year 2021, and we are maintaining gutter brush after about 4.25 years. The gutters continued to flow for 4.25 years, and we're going to pull them out and clean them out and put them back in. You can see our tree line, very tall trees. I think those might be locust trees, across the street trees. Gutter brush after I'd say 4.25, maybe 4.5 years. Gutters are flowing just fine. See a lot of helicopter seeds. And after 4.5 years, the bristles are still as flexible as they were. Pull it out. Again, I'm only one-handed, but I can bang it in my bucket, or I can bang it on a hard surface and the debris will all pop out. And I'll put it back in. This happens to be a dry day. If it were a wet day, I would lay a towel or a piece of plastic over the gutter brush when I pull it so that I don't get spackled. One-handed, slide this out. In this case, the gutter is still flowing. It doesn't really need the maintenance in this case, but at 4.5 years, why not? If it were more debris and more trees up close to the house, it would be more frequent than 4.5 years. So depends on an awful lot of factors when maintenance is necessary. You pull it out and you'll see how much debris is in the brush. If it were a wet day, that would be muck. This is after 4.5 years. The gutter never clogged. Pull this brush out. We already pulled them out and cleaned the gutter. I've got my gutter brush phone loops attached to my phone so that I can work on the ladder and do this gutter brush installation. Okay, so we threw the gutter brush to the ground and I'll bang them out. We'll get some debris out of them. This gutter is amazingly strong, having way more gutter hangers than normal. Very strong. Doesn't matter because I can get the last two from the next position of the ladder anyway. Reinstallation is complete. Visit www.gutterbrush.com. It didn't really require it, but we performed the maintenance at 4.25 years. Other homes with trees closer to the home or high abundances of leaves and pine needles could need maintenance, certainly in the first year. Some of those people are extremely happy when they go from cleaning their gutters 5 or 6 times and having gutter overflow during that year. They'll go to maintaining gutter brush once a year and have flowing gutters all year, and they will be very happy with that. So no two homes are the same. The gutter height, the tree line, the height of the trees, the slope of the roof, the wind patterns, it all makes it different for every home. But our customers love the product, and it keeps the gutter from clogging, easy to install and easy to maintain. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.